Hi, Javon here with the Polgar Group. Standing in front of my newest listing here in Mountain House. It's located in Hanson Village in a private cul-de-sac. This beautiful, stunning home here was a previous model home with over 200,000 in builder upgrades. Also has a recent new pool and solar with backup batteries. Wait until you see inside and enjoy all the beautiful upgrades.